In our last Crunch Time video, we discussed what a technical service bulletin or TSB is. Now, we're going to look at an actual TSB. This particular TSB was issued on February 19, 2019 and addresses a noise from the trunk area of Nissan Altimas and Maximas. On this TSB, note that it says it has been amended. Very important, as this means you should discard any previous versions of this TSB. The TSB lists the make models of vehicles affected, applied VINs, and the affected vehicle's build dates. The issue is a ticking, tapping, or popping noise coming from the right rear panel shelf or right rear passenger seat back area while driving. The solution is to widen the gap between two pieces of body paneling in the right side trunk area and fill the gap with expanding foam. Before you begin the repair, there is a caution. Handle interior parts carefully to avoid damage and work with clean hands and clean tools to avoid dirt and stains. Also, it is important to follow all cautions, warnings, and notes in the electronic service manual when working on or near a supplemental restraint system, such as an airbag. Make sure to closely follow the entire service procedure as it contains information that is essential to successfully completing the repair. To begin the repair, open the trunk and remove the clips. Then pull back the trunk mat and carpet. Next, remove the seat clip and peel back the trunk side finisher. Then insert a plastic pry tool and carefully widen the gap between the two body panels about 3 millimeters. Fill the area with expanding foam and be sure to wipe off any expanding foam that is not between the two body panels before it dries. Finally, reassemble the vehicle in reverse order of this assembly and test drive the vehicle to verify the noise has stopped. For the full detailed step-by-step process plus helpful diagrams, visit nissan-techinfo.com for this TSB and others. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.